So this is what we should be expecting for the for the week on our Bitcoin, right, which is BTC. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel and stay updated. So we would see what markets will be doing once it opens. Let's start with the trend on our Bitcoin. First, we need to take a look at the main trend, which is the full bigger trend. As you can see, the main trend, the full bigger trend says that we are in, right? That is the trend. It says that we're in uptrend move. But when you now zoom it in, you see the market is giving us something which is a current movement, a current trend, and that current trend is trending downward. So this is the first low that Bitcoin gave. Then here comes the lower high. It was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here this lower high, first rejection, which made market to drop. Then market was able to push up to give us a second rejection here. So first rejection, second rejection. So we should be expecting market to actually drop again. So this is one of the reasons why I said in the long run, especially if you're a position trader, you should be going in for the sell. You should be anticipating for a sell because in the long run, Bitcoin will drop and reject from the zone. So in the long run, you'll be expecting a rejection from the zone whereby Bitcoin will drop, right? So on our daily time frame, right? You should be anticipating for some bearish move. So this is day one of market opening and closing bearish. This is day two of market opening and closing bearish. Day three of market opening and closing bearish. This is day four of market opening and closing bearish. Now for this day five, you should be expecting market to open and close bearish. So above all, Bitcoin should be giving us a bearish move. We should be anticipating for a sell. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any single updates, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.